How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Martin with Belleville Auto Spa. Please excuse the background noise. Got my neighbor's kid playing with my kid and one of their friends. I'm not going to spoil their fun, they're kids. Anyways, we're going to be reviewing here the CarPro's new DHydrate Bold Towel. So here is the packaging that it comes in. It's vacuum sealed, which is nice. But basically, the main takeaway is this has twice the thickness of the original DHydrate towel. It is still a 20-30 blend, which it's good. It's a good blend. It's not as nice as a 70-30, but 20. What did I say? 20-80 is the blend. The 20-80 blend is still plenty fine. So I've got the original DHydrate towel here. So I got the original. This is the smaller one. It says CarPro on it, a little discolored because I think I washed out some red towels. And then we've got the pretty nice large one here. I'm going to set the small one aside. I've also got the large DHydrate Bold, so you can just see just by looking at these, the thickness it's doubled. So this is a 540 GSM, which is pretty thin for a drying towel. However, consider the CarPro DHydrate towel has been out for a long time. Microfiber technology has since gotten better. A lot of microfiber towels coming out are between 900 and 1200 GSM now. So they went with 1000 GSM on this one. You see the fibers are even longer, so it should be even more absorbent. And I mean, even with this one, I could still dry an entire vehicle. It's no problem. It could absorb a lot. This time, even more so. It's not that it's any softer. It's still the same. Looks like it's the same material. It just went with orange on gray instead of gray on orange, so they kind of reversed it. But I'm sure it's just as absorbent as the original. But of course, it can hold more water this time because it's even thicker. So anyways, I just got done washing a big old honking SUV. So we're gonna show the towel off and dry the hood off. It's gonna be a quick video. There's not much to showcase about a towel. But let's get over to the vehicle and we'll start getting it dry. Alright, so this big sucker right here, nice and dry. I haven't blow dried it off or anything like that. Let's do what they do in all the marketing videos. Not CarPro, but just companies in general. We will just drag it across. And you see how it just is nice and dry, right? Doesn't get any easier than that. Another method is another method I see people like to do. That doesn't do quite as nice though. I like to drag it across. Make sure, of course, your vehicle is nice and clean though, before you start dragging it all over the place. But nice and dry, and the towel, it's absorbed some water, but still got plenty to go. Now, normally I blow dry vehicles off before I towel dry them, but of course we're demonstrating here with a brand new towel. Nice dry windshield. And there you go. Nice quick video. CarPro's DHydrate Bold Towel. I'll put a link to it in the description at Sky's Limit Car Care or CarPro US. You can use my discount code or just click my link and you'll get 10% off this and anything else on the site. Let me just show one more thing as well. So of course you can also use this with drying aids. CarPro Echo. They're a waterless wash where you can make a detail spray out of it. Elixir High Gloss. This is a really good detail spray. As well as drying aid. Or if you're trying to top up your coating, Reload 2.0. Basically all you do is you just mist the surface, and it does help dry it off, avoid water spots or any water spots that have just formed. It'll break them down and let you easily wipe them away with your towel, and as well as provide some lubrication so you don't scratch up your surface. But yeah, the CarPro DHydrate Bold Towel. Honestly, pretty excited about this towel. It's not dual-sided with the fibers, but that's really not a big deal because you can use this side to get your glass, your windows, so you don't leave any little fibers behind if your glass is kind of rough. So it serves two purposes there, and you don't see many drying towels that have both the thicker twisted loop side and the shorter diamond weave side for glass. So go ahead and check it out if you're looking for a good drying towel. Sky's the limit. Car Care's got a lot of great stuff, so check out their whole website. That's all I got for you guys. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. Let me know what your favorite drying towel is. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Other than that, I will see you all in the next video. Keep them clean. Have a good one.